Buenos días, chicos. Buenos días, estudiantes. Today we are going to start a new topic. That is la personalidad, the personality. In that way, you will be able to describe people's personality. You already know how to describe people's physical appearance. Now you are going to move on to the personality, okay? So, part of your homework was to write this vocabulary in your notebooks. And I hope that you already did it. So let's review the pronunciation, definitions, and how to describe people. So here we have this picture, okay? So if we want to describe this person, basically we are going to use ella es. We already know that this is she is. And the adjective, so let's check what is the adjective that best describe this person. So we have this list here. Look at this, talkative. So this is hablador. But as this is a woman, we are going to add this a. So we are going to write, ella es habladora. Okay? And what about him? Let's check here what is the best adjective that describe him. Oh, look at this. It's one of these. We can use this one or this one. Let's use this one. As he's a man, we are going to add O, okay? So, we are going to say, él es callado. Excelente. So, let's go to a different picture. Here we have two boys. So, we are going to say, ellos son. Remember that ellos son means they are. Let's see what adjective of personality best describe these guys. I think this one works very, very, very well. So, amistoso. And it's two people. We are going to add the S to make plural. So, ellos son amistosos. Excelente. Let's go to next picture. Oh, look at this. We can use this. We can use this one. Yeah, we can use this one. So, honestos. It is a man. We say, él es honesto. It ends in O. Let's use another picture. Oh, look at him. Él es, which means he is. Él es. Let's see, what is the best adjective? Oh, aquí, selfish. In Spanish is egoísta. Egoísta. Él es egoísta. Here, again, él es encantador. Let's see what is encantador. Charming. Yes. Here, oh, look at him. Él es generoso. What does it mean? What does it mean, generoso? Generous. Aquí, let's see. Next picture. Oh, él es tímido. Do you remember what is tímido? Tímido is shy. Let's next picture. Oh, mira. Talkative. So we can say ellas, because it's women, plural, son habladoras. With yes, because it's plural. Next picture. Oops. Here. Mira. This person looks kind of bad temper or serious. Let's use serious. As it's a woman, we are going to add a at the end. So let's go here. Ella es seria. Sorry. Ella es seria. So remember that when it's a woman singular, you just add the a. When it's several women and it's plural, we are going to add the a and the s. When it's a man and singular, just the o. But when it is a man and it's plural, it means several men, it's going to be o and s, okay? So now, here, let's go with the pronunciation. Valiente. Él es valiente. Honesto. Él es honesto. If it is a woman, ella es honesta. Amistoso. Él es amistoso. If it's several people, ellos son amistosos. Or ustedes son amistosos. Él es serio. Él es de mal humor. Ella es antipática. Remember that we are using the a because it's a woman. Él es amoroso. Ella es amorosa. Él es encantador. Encantador. Ella es generosa. Ella es generosa. Él es tímido. Tímido. Ella es callada. Ella es callada. Ella es extrovertida. Extrovertida. Él es egoísta. Él es egoísta. Ella es habladora. Habladora. Él es ambicioso. Ambicioso. For the adjectives that have an O and an A, look at this here, 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 here. It means that the O is masculine and the A is feminine, okay? But the ones that they don't have these, for example, valiente, egoísta, de mal humor, it means that this is not going to change. It's going to be the same for women or for men. So you can say ella es de mal humor, or you can say él es de mal humor. If it is plural, remember that you need to add the S at the end of all of them. All of these, okay? Muy bien. Adiós, adiós.